Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you are wondering why seaweed liquid fertilizer might not be the best choice for your plants, you're definitely in the right place. Today in this video, I'm going to show you what you should be doing instead of using the seaweed fertilizer to keep your plants thriving. So let's get to it. Ever heard about seaweed liquid fertilizer? Maybe you've been tempted to use it for your plants, but hold up. I'm about to tell you why you should think twice before applying it to certain plants and what alternative methods work even better. While seaweed fertilizer has a reputation for boosting plant growth, it's not always suitable for every plant in your collection. Some plants, like those in your indoor garden or delicate species, might actually get stressed out from the high salt content. Plus, over-fertilization with seaweed in particular can sometimes lead to nutrient imbalances. What should you do instead? Organic compost is a fantastic option. We did a video here on the channel where we talked about our process of creating organic compost from scratch that will be ready within 2 to 3 months. It's rich in nutrients, it helps retain moisture, and it also encourages healthy root development. Now, best of all, it won't shock your plant with excess salt or unwanted chemicals. In order to use compost effectively, simply spread a thin layer around your plant's base, gently mix it into the topsoil and water thoroughly. For a more balanced approach, you can also use a liquid organic fertilizer. We've got warm tea. There's also homemade plant food, which you can find the recipe here on the channel linked in the description box below, which are both gentle but effective. Another tip, don't forget about proper light, temperature and watering. So healthy soil is just one part of the equation. Make sure your plants are in the right environment and you'll see them grow beautifully without the need for harsh fertilizers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more plant tips, strategies and hacks. Drop a comment below. Do you use seaweed liquid fertilizer or have you switched to something else? Let me know. I'd love to hear about your experience. Remember, a little care goes a long way in keeping your plants healthy and happy. Until next time, happy gardening. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and have a great day.